Hi everybody, it's Adam.
And me, Petri.
And this might go down as my favorite day of the year. I got asked by a student to make a second wrestling video. And so this one is for you, Adam versus Petri.
Let's go.
First, let's do a little stretching.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I think I'm ready. Are you ready?
Oh, let's go.
Do you smell what the Mr. Adam is cooking?
Oh, you think that's strong? Wait till you see the wings of fury.
Wings of fury? It looks more just like some bird little shaking his feathers.
Oh yeah, watch this. What in the world? Where did you get the speed? Good, nice.
All right, time for me to use the snake.
Oh, you think you can get me with the snake technique, huh? I was born ready to...
Oh, what was that? Snake got your tongue? Don't you see what I'm capable of?
Oh, yeah? Wait till you see this crazy foot.
That was a pretty good foot. Well, maybe I should bring you this little pounder kabounder. Boom!
Oh, yeah? I don't think I'm gonna have anything to do with that when you see my extra special... That's the worst breath I've ever smelled. It's Cheetos. Take that. Yep, I've managed to take him down. Don't worry, Cheeto breath will do it every time. If you ever need a secret weapon in wrestling, eat something really cheesy and smelly, and then breathe on the person. I think I am back. And Petri, I'm gonna use my Fury Grip. Oh, what's that?
It's called a Fury Grip.
Oh! Don't worry, no actual birds or people were harmed during the making of this video.
You're right, no actual birds or anything were harmed, but we are just pretending that's what wrestling is. All right, back to it.
Oh! I'm ready to submit!
You are?
Nope! Oh. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was the art of all the fooling I could do. I'm the new champion again. Actually, not new. I am the champion. 2-time winner. Adam, you can wake up. You've lost again. Adam? Yeah. How you feeling?
Well, I think I'm feeling something on my head, and I don't think it's feeling too good.
Yeah, that's what happens when you have managed to lose WrestleMania again.
It's true. Well, guess what? I still had fun doing it, and that I can handle.
I can too.
All right, everybody. Hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoy your wrestling, and hope you enjoy this video that we made to be really silly about wrestling. Petri?
Yep.
You are the people's champion.
Yeah.
Although, I'm going to work on that people's elbow and see what else I can bring to you sometime.
All right, good luck.
Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day.
Bye.